Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can unhide games on your Steam library. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to go ahead and unhide your games, I'm just going to simply hide my games and show it to you. So let's say, for example, I'm going to hide my Dirt Rally. And all you have to do to hide is right click and then manage and hide this game. I'm gonna also hide my Dead by Daylight, because why not. I'm also gonna hide my Super Seducer, because why not. And okay, there you go, I've hidden some games, right? So the easiest way that you can go ahead and unhide your games is going to be by clicking on this search by name over here. Finally, once you have done that, just search for your hidden game. So first let me search for Super Seducer, and when I search that, it's gonna say one hidden one, right? I'm just gonna click on the plus and it's gonna show up. I'm gonna right click on it, click on manage and remove from hidden, and that's how easy it is. You probably didn't even know I had aim labs and I had hidden it. As you can see, I can just unhide it right over here. And let's not forget about Dead by Daylight. So there it is, it's hidden. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove from hidden, and if I go to my library, there you go, there are all the games that were hidden. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.